Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamad Rafly Akbar D from class 12 Science 2, absent 22. So, right now I'm going to show you how to fix ps4 system update error. So, the first thing you need to do is turning off your ps4 until it's completely turned off. Second, you need to enter safe mode. To enter safe mode, you need to hold on to your power button for 5 or 8 seconds until you hear 2 beep sound. Once you enter safe mode, connect your controller with USB cable so you can move around. So in safe mode, you can't move around with analog. You need to use your D-pad to go up or down. The next thing you need to do is choose option number 5, rebuilding the database, because this will help fix possible issue that causing these errors to occur. Once you rebuild your database, it will restart your console and you need to go back to safe mode once again. After rebuilding your database, go to option number 3, update system software. Update using USB storage, disk, or internet. If all the options that I gave you don't work, then the last resort is initialize ps4. This will restart your ps4 to factory default. You will lose your saved data, your game, or your PSN login. If it still doesn't work, then you need to choose option number 7. This requires USB storage device that contain an update file that you can download from playstation.com. So yeah, that's basically it. Hope it helps you, and thank you for watching.